sir.
Yes. So only four are there.
Yes, sir.
Rehan is there, then Gabrani, then
Yes, sir.
Mohammed is there,
Yes, sir.
Mohammed, then
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Haider Ali is also there, Qureshi Rehan is there, Nurani, okay,
Sir, I am there.
yes, Arsh. So when I ask the questions at that time, I will know how many are there. The
Sir,
adventure
Mustafa
of
also.
the blue carbuncle. The adventure of the blue carbuncle. Now, adventure is the story. Adventure is something when you are excited, when you are very happy. At that time, whatever you it is adventure. You know what is adventure? You might have heard this word before.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what is carbuncle? Is it about a car or about an uncle?
Mm,
Both.
Not car, neither uncle.
Then, what it is? You know, diamond, hira.
Yes, sir. Yes, Mugnal.
Yes, it is something like that. A carbuncle is a bright jewel of blue color. It is a blue carbuncle, blue color diamond. You can imagine.
Yes, sir.
See, I will show you. See, it is very, very costly.
Yes, sir.
Crores of rupees it can cost. Do you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you know
No, sir.
who is the author of the story? We have already read about it. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, the creator of Sherlock Holmes.
Yes, sir.
Alele.
He has written this story. And in this story, one famous detective is there who is going to solve the case. Who is he?
Sherlock Holmes.
Yes, Sherlock Holmes himself. Very, very interesting and very adventurous story it is, and you will enjoy a lot. The best story it is in our book. Like CID, how we will solve the case, how we will find the clues. It is really very interesting. Like you will think that you are watching an episode of CID. See, first we will do warm up exercise, then we will start the lesson. Here you have to work in the groups, means all the students have to work together and you have to give me the answer. You have to solve the mystery. First you have to solve the mystery, then we will read the lesson. See, this is the story. I will show you some images, some photos. Here there is a girl whose name is Anita. Sorry, her name is Anita. Anita's cousins come to stay at the place for 2 days. Anita के cousin है वो वहाँ पे आए for staying at the place. Whose place? Anita's place. Anita के घर पे आए वो for staying there for 2 days. Okay. She shows her cousins the gold necklace she got the gift as a gift from the parents. So Anita is showing that gold necklace to the cousins, which she has got as a gift from the parents. So where is Anita? See, this is scene number one. Can you see where is Anita?
Blue.
Here. Where is Anita?
Blue, blue.
Blue. Yes. She is showing the necklace to her cousins. ये जो तीन है वो cousins है. Remember, one is wearing green color, one is wearing red color, and one is wearing purple color. These three are cousins. Now see, second image. I wish I had one like this. So the cousin who is wearing purple color, she is looking at the necklace with bad eyes. Means she thinks that I also want this necklace. Then see, image number three. The cousin who is wearing red color, what does she say? I am feeling very sleepy. I should go to sleep. Good night. So she says good night and she goes to sleep. And these three are, what are they doing?
Watching TV.
Yes, watching Spider-Man TV. Then Anita, she puts the necklace back in the safe. In that box of necklace, she is putting the necklace back. And see, these two are watching. Then see what happens. Here, Anita is putting the necklace back In the drawer. Got it? उसने drawer में रख दिया. These two are watching still. Where is the red one?
Red one has gone to sleep.
Yes. Then see over here. Anita says good night. After putting that necklace in the drawer, she closes it, and that two cousins also said good night, and all went to sleep.
Sir, I had
Then-
seen this story.
Next day, Anita wakes up and finds the three drawers open. Early morning, she sees that all the three drawers are open. God, goodness me, the necklace is missing. So the necklace was not there. The necklace was missing. Could it be one of them? So Anita is thinking that has anyone from these three stolen the necklace? So what do you think?
Purple one.
Why?
Red one.
See, I am showing you the images again so that you can try to think. These are the first four scenes. Don't you think red one can also be there?
Yes, sir, I think.
Because she went to sleep first. Then it happened over here that she was putting inside the drawer. And then she said good night.
Sir, but the red one has don't know that where was the necklace.
But maybe she was hiding and she
Can
was
you
seeing.
see?
Maybe she might be hiding and seeing.
Yes, sir, right.
Okay, see what is given over
Sir,
here.
I think purple and green.
What? See, here is your necklace. I wanted to show you how careless you are. So someone gave the necklace. We don't know who gave the necklace. And that person just wanted to show Anita that she was careless. That person did not want to steal the necklace, but she wanted to make Anita realize that she was careless. So here is the question for all the students. Give the answer.
Sir,
Red
I
one.
think green.
But green
Red
green has not done anything.
Yes, sir.
Sir, red.
Okay. So, we will not know, but Sherlock Holmes will come to know immediately who has stolen. So, because Sherlock Holmes has sharp observation. So, you enjoyed this thing, same way the story also you will enjoy. Just like a CID episode I said. The story is something like this only. Now, answer is not given over here, but personally I think red one. You can think green one also, sorry, purple also. But I personally think it should be red one. Now we will read the story. Who will read this?
Sir, can I read?
Yes, read the first paragraph.
Okay, sir. Sometimes even an everyday occurrence can lead to a pleasant surprise or invite trouble. Read this Sherlock Holmes story in which the famous detective finds clues to a mystery in commonplace things that lead him to the culprit.
Yes. So what is given over here? See. Sometimes even everyday occurrence can lead to pleasant surprise or invite trouble. Everyday occurrence means something which is happening every day. जो चीज रोज होती है. Like we get up early, we take bath, we have our meal, we do the household work, whatever we do every day. That is called common occurrence. And sometimes we get surprised. We get a pleasant surprise. And sometimes we invite trouble. जो हम रोज उसमें से. Sometimes we get surprise, sometimes we get trouble. So this is a Sherlock Holmes story, which is a famous detective. Sherlock Holmes was a famous detective, but not the real one, fictional detective. He finds the clues to the mystery. There was a suspense. There was, you can say, there was stolen diamond. He solves that mystery. He finds the clues in commonplace things. Commonplace things means the things which you see every day. Like we see the walls of our house, we see the floor, the roof of the house, the vehicles outside, everything that we see every day. Animals, birds, everything. But Sherlock Holmes does not look at the things like us. He looks at the things in a different way. He has a sharp observation. He finds the clues from all these things and he finds the culprit. Culprit means what?
The person who has stolen the thing or else.
Yes, the thief or the criminal. That is called culprit. Did you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read further. Mohammed.
Yes, sir. बोलो सर.
What? I said read further.
You call me.
Are you?
Acha, read. It was the second morning after Christmas when I entered Sherlock Holmes' room. He was sitting lazily on a sofa, and a shabby hat felt hat was hanging at the back of a wooden chair. The magnifying glass on the chair suggested that Holmes has been examining it. I don't want to interrupt you, said I.
Why did you? Why did you stop?
Sir, I had read full.
Okay, but your voice did not come in between, so no problem. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
So what happened now? See, it was the second morning after Christmas, means it was around 26 December. When I entered Sherlock Holmes' room, I means who is I?
Doyle.
See,
Sir Doyle.
yes,
Sir
the
Arthur
author
Conan
of the
Doyle.
document. Yes, he said that when he entered the room of Sherlock Holmes, what was Sherlock Holmes doing? He was sitting lazily on a sofa, like how you all sit on the sofa lazily, and
Yes, sir, kind you.
okay, good then. Shabby, hard-felt hat was hanging at the back of the wooden chair. So there was a wooden chair, and what was hanging on that chair? One hat. You know what is hat? And hat was shabby, means old and not
Topi.
in good condition. Yes, that hat was shabby, hard-felt, means it was very old hat. It was not in good condition. It was hanging on the chair. The magnifying glass on the chair suggested that Holmes had been examining it. So there was a magnifying glass. Where was the magnifying glass? You know what is magnifying glass, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was on the chair. Magnifying glass was on the chair. And when Doyle saw that magnifying glass, he understood that Sherlock Holmes was examining the head. Examining means looking carefully. When you want to when you want to find out something, you use magnifying glass and you get a closer look at that thing. So Doyle saw that magnifying glass and he saw that hat hanging on the behind the chair. So Doyle understood that Sherlock Holmes was doing this work. He was finding out something from that hat. Maybe he was solving a case. I don't want to interrupt you. Interrupt means disturb. So Doyle said to Sherlock Holmes that I don't want to disturb you because Sherlock Holmes was doing some work, I think, because he was thinking, he was sitting lazily, hat was there, magnifying glass was there. So Doyle thought that maybe he is thinking about the hat or solving some case. Clear? Till here?
Yes, sir, clear.
Continue.
Not at all, said my detective friend. On the contrary, I am glad to have you here. You discuss my results.
1 minute, 1 minute. So what happened? What did Sherlock Holmes say? When Doyle said that I don't want to interrupt you, though, Sherlock Holmes said that yes, go away.
No.
He said, no, no, you are not disturbing me. On the contrary, मतलब ये तो अच्छा है that you came. I am glad means I am happy that you are here so we can discuss the results. Results मतलब exam results की बात कर रहा हूँ. Which results?
Cases के results.
Yes, that after examining the hat, what has he noticed? All that observations that he has done, that he will discuss with his friend Doyle. So Sherlock Holmes said that yes, I am happy that you are here. Yes, continue.
He pointed towards the hat. The actual object in question is a trivial one, but it
Trivial.
reveals some curious facts. You know Peterson, the commissioner, one Christmas morning he brought it here along with a good fat goose, which is, I have no doubt, roasting at this moment in front of Peterson's fire.
Yes, one more line.
Okay, sir. It was indeed getting interesting now. Sherlock Holmes started relating the morning's episode.
Okay, now see, now the real story starts. He pointed towards the hat. He means who showed the hat to whom?
Sherlock Holmes showed the hat to the Sir Arthur Conan Doyle.
Yes. See, now you are understanding the story. I am going slow because starting में अगर story समझ में आए ना, then you will really enjoy. So understand each and every line, then you will really enjoy the story. But if you
Yes.
miss something, you can ask me 2 times, 3 times. But be clear in your mind. So
Yes, sir.
now what happened? Sherlock Holmes showed that hat. That see, there is the hat hanging on the chair. He showed that to his friend Doyle. The actual object in the question is a trivial one. Now object means hat. ये hat की बात हो रही है. So Sherlock Holmes said that it is a trivial one. Trivial means commonplace. Regular hat है, कोई special hat नहीं है. It is a common thing. Hat is not something special. But it reveals some curious facts. Reveals means to show. But hat is a commonplace occurrence. Hat is a common thing, but it has some curious facts. Means interesting facts है. जो hat के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. It is there are some interesting facts that I have found out about the hat. Sherlock Holmes said to his friend, "You know Peterson, the commissioner. See, this is not commissioner. Police commissioner अलग होता है. This is commissioner. Means what? Nothing to do with police. You know, there are some people whose job is to stand at the entrance of the hotel for welcoming people.
Yes, sir.
With,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that are called commissioner. So his name is Peterson. एक Peterson एक character है. He is a commissioner who stands outside of a hotel for welcoming people. So Sherlock Holmes is asking his friend Doyle that do you know Peterson? Do you know him? On Christmas morning, means 25th December की बात हो रही है. Christmas morning he brought it here along with a good fat goose. So Sherlock Holmes is telling his friend Doyle what happened कि hat यहाँ पे कैसे आई. That Peterson is the person who came here in the morning. He brought two things with him. He brought one fat goose. Goose पता है? Have you heard about goose which can be eaten?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What it is? Is it an animal, bird?
Mutton.
Bird.
Yes, bird. मतलब mutton, मतलब bird, no? So, Sherlock Holmes said that Peterson had come with this hat. ये hat कौन छोड़ के गया? Peterson. And Peterson was having one goose with him, which I have no doubt roasting at this moment in front of Peterson's fire. तो अभी तक Peterson उसको roast करके खा गया होगा. Roasting means cooking. He might be cooking right now in front of his fire and he might be eating that goose. But hat वो यहाँ छोड़ के गया. Where did Peterson leave the hat and go away?
At Sherlock
क्या
Holmes'
सर?
place.
Yes, where did Peterson leave the hat and go away?
At Sherlock Holmes' place.
Yes. Goose ले गया वो. Hat he put there. So, indeed getting interesting now. Now the story was getting interesting. Doyle said, now I was really interested. Sherlock Holmes started relating the morning's episode. Now Sherlock Holmes will tell everything. कि Peterson कैसे आया? How did he come? What happened? Morning में क्या हुआ था? Now going to flashback. थोड़ा पीछे जाना. What happened in the morning? Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
The paragraph.
Sir, your mic is mute. Sir,
Read the
sir,
paragraph.
your mic is mute. Okay, sir. After some merrymaking, our friend Peterson was making his way homeward down. Sir, what's your say?
It is Tottenham.
Tottenham Court Road. He saw a tall man walking ahead of him with a slight stranger carrying a white goose slung over his shoulder, and he reached the corner of Good Street. A row broke out between him and a group of tongues. As one of them knocked off the man's hat, he swung his stick over his head to defend himself, but it broke a shop window behind him. At this point in time, Peterson rushed the to the tall man's rescue, but the man, seen an official-looking person in uniform rushing towards him, took to his heels, leaving behind his hat and goose. The tongues too had flagged at the appearance of person. Thus our friend came in possessive of this battle heard at the Christmas goose. Did he not return them to the owner?
Okay. Anything? Did you understand what happened? Morning में क्या हुआ था?
No.
See, I will explain. Understand? Please understand. See, after some merry making means uh, you can say pleasure, having fun, because Christmas time it was, so that is called merry making. Merry Christmas बोलते हैं ना, means happy Christmas. So after enjoying, our friend Peterson was making his way homeward. Our means Peterson जो है वो किसका फ्रेंड था? Sherlock Holmes and Doyle both. So right now, who are talking? Which two people are talking right now?
Doyle and Sherlock Holmes.
Doyle and Sherlock Holmes.
Yes. तो उन दोनों का फ्रेंड था पीटरसन. सो होम्स सेज टू डॉयल, हमारा जो फ्रेंड है पीटरसन, he was making his way homeward, means he was going back home, down Tottenham Court Road. This is the name of the road in London. Tottenham Court Road. Okay. Tottenham. How do you speak? Tottenham.
Tottenham.
T O
Tottenham.
T E N H A M. Tottenham Court Road.
Tottenham.
Yes, Peterson वहां से जा रहा था. He saw a tall man walking ahead of him with slight stagger. Stagger means unsteadily, like how the people who are drunk they cannot walk properly, like that. So Peterson was going on Tottenham Court Road, and there was a man who was walking ahead of him, उसके आगे, and he was staggering. He was not able to walk properly. Peterson saw that. He was carrying a white goose slung over his shoulder. So white color goose means that white color meat, that bird was carried by that man who was walking ahead of Peterson. उसके पास वो goose था on the shoulder, not with the Peterson. वो man के पास था. Got it?
Yes, sir.
As he reached
Yes,
the
sir.
corner of Gauge Street, अब थोड़ा आगे गया टॉटनहम कोर्ट रोड से, तो वहाँ पे गॉज स्ट्रीट थी, one more street. As he reached the corner of the Gauge Street, a row broke between him and a group of thugs. A raw. Here, raw means a fight. यहाँ पे जो raw है उसका meaning क्या है? A fight. Near the Gauge Street, there was a fight which took place between him and a group of thugs. Him मतलब कौन? That man.
The man who had drink the drug.
He was not drunk actually, but he was walking like that. He
Acha.
was staggering. So that man who was walking ahead of Peterson, that man, and there were a group of thugs. Thugs, you know what are thugs? Violent people, rough people,
Yes,
like
sir.
Chor also
Yes,
you can
sir.
say, Peters. So, उसका group था. There were so many, and this man was alone. Peterson was coming back only. He was seeing this, that this man was attacked by a group of thugs near the Gauge Street. As one of them knocked off the man's hat, so there was a fight, and one man hit that man on the head. तो उसकी head जो है वो गिर गई. Knocked off means to fall down. The head fell down. He swung his stick over his head to defend himself. So that man was having that stick. तो उसने stick ऐसे हवा में ऐसे घुमाई. And to defend means to protect himself. He swung means swing का past tense है. Like to move in the air. He swung the stick to defend himself, but it broke a shop window behind him. So with that, what happened with that stick? By mistake, that window broke. Which window? There was a shop. Who broke that window by mistake?
The man
The man.
Which man?
walking ahead of Peterson.
Yes. So he was trying to save himself, and by mistake he broke the window. But he was all alone. At this point in time, Peterson rushed to tall man's rescue. So Peterson was seeing all this. So he went there to save him. If you are there, will you go?
No.
Would you? No. Why, Mohammed?
તો પછી બધા આપલે હારે બાંધે ને એટલે.
So you are afraid that they would. But Peterson was a good man. So we can say that because he went to save that man. Rescue. Right? And
Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is cutting.
but being an official leaving behind a hat and goose. But the man seeing an official looking person. Now who was official looking person? Peterson. He was wearing a dress which was of police officer. But he was not police officer actually. He was just wearing the dress like that. So Peterson वहाँ पे गया. He was rushing towards these people who were fighting with that man. So what happened with that man? He took to his heels. Took to his heels means what? He ran away. वो जो man था जिसकी head थी और जिसका goose था, that man was afraid that he will arrest me also. So thugs also ran away, and that man who was beaten by that thugs, who was having that hat and that goose, that man also ran away. They all took to their heels, and that hat and the goose fell on the road. Understood? Or any doubt? Any doubt, then ask me.
No, sir.
Clear? See what is written. The thugs also fled at the appearance of Peterson. Appearance means Peterson को देख के वो thugs भी भाग गए. Fled means ran away. Because they thought that he is a police. But actually he was not. He was just wearing that clothes. Official clothes. He just wanted to save that man.
Yes, sir.
But that man also ran away, thinking that I will also be caught. But that man was not at fault.
Yes, sir.
Thus, our friend came in the possession of this battered hat and Christmas goose. So this is how Peterson got hat and the goose. So Peterson took that hat and the goose, which fell down on the road. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Because that man, that old man who was beaten up by that group of thugs, he had left that goose and that hat on the road, and this Peterson reached there and he took that hat and the goose which was lying there. So this is how he came into possession. मतलब उसके बाद ऐसे goose और hat आए. But actually it belonged to that man. It did not belong to Peterson. Did he not return them to the owner? Who is asking this question? Do you know?
Sir Arthur Conan Doyle.
Very good. So you have understood till here. So Doyle is asking Holmes that did he not give that hat and the goose to the real owner? And who was the real owner of the hat and the goose?
The man who's beaten by the dog.
Yes. But how will he identify that man? How will Peterson find out that man? He cannot find out so easily. उसका नाम नंबर थोड़ी छोड़ के गया था वो रोड पे. So now you know why Peterson came to Holmes, because Holmes was a detective. He can find that man with his contacts or with his observation. But Peterson was a common man. He could not find that person who was beaten up, who left that goose and the hat on the road. So he came to Sherlock Holmes, that if Sherlock Holmes can find that person who was beaten up, and he can find the owner of that hat and the goose, and they can return this to him. Now, understood what happened in the morning?
Yes, sir.
This story will be really interesting as you have understood each and every line. So I am going slow. It is a mystery.
Sir, this is like a movie.
Yes, it is like a movie. But only if you understand and if you are present throughout the lecture. If you are absent for even, if you just go away for 5 minutes for tea or for breakfast, so a link break ho jayegi and you will not understand the story then. So in the English lecture, for 2 or 3 lectures, don't break the link of yours. I will not know what you are doing there. So if you want to really understand and enjoy the story, be present and keep your ears open if you are having hands free or on the speaker, but listen to me carefully. And don't keep any doubt. Ask me on the spot. Now, I think I will not continue the next paragraph because it's already getting over. If I start, then I will have to stop in between. But you can read the lesson. I will just put the PDF in the group. Then we will continue this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.